Hello! Today in this lesson we are going to look at another way to translate or write a fractional number as a percent. In the previous lesson I told you that if we know that 1% is 1/100th of 1%, then we need to make the denominator equal 100. But let's now look at another way to write a fractional number as a percent. There are cases where you won't be able to write the denominator as 100. So what can be done in this case? Let's look at a simple example, and that is the fraction 1/2. You will all say that 1 second is 50%. Yes, that is indeed true. But how else can you get 50% differently? The thing is, to convert a fractional number to a percentage, you just multiply it by 100%, because 100% is one whole part. So if I multiply 1/2 by 100 and I write it down as 1/2 times 100, percent divided by 1, 2 out of 100 I'm going to reduce, and that will leave 1 here and 50 here, and then 1 times 50 would be 50%. This method can also be used to write a fractional number as a percent. And a few more examples. Let's look at the following example, and this is 2/25. I want to write this fraction as a percent. What do? I just multiply by 100%. Then, by the rule of multiplying a fractional number by a number, I have to write 2/25 times 100%. Percent and put a 1 in there. When I reduce these numbers, I get 1 and 4, and then 2 times 4 is 8. Percent. The next example that we're going to go over with you, let's say we take the following fraction, which is 3/5. Following this rule, I must multiply 3/5 by 100%. What do you get as a result? 3/5 times 100%. With a denominator of 1. 5 times 100 reduces. There will be a 1 and there will be a 20. 3 times 20 would be 60%. This is the method you can use when you need to convert a fractional number to a percentage. Just multiply by 100. And here's another example. 3/15. Now, this is the exact case where I can't immediately multiply 15 by some number to get a denominator of 100. Following our rule, we shall increase it by a factor of 100. What will be the outcome? 3/15 I multiply by 100 first. Out of a group of 100, 15 can be decreased by 5. By doing so, 15 divided by 5 will become 3, and 100 divided by 5 will be equal to 20. Multiplying a number by 3 and then by 20 gives a total of 60. And divide by 3. 60 divided by 3 is 20%. This is how you can convert a fractional number into a percentage. In our next lesson, we're going to learn how to convert percentages into decimals. That's all for today. Goodbye. See you again.